Rosen Nissan in Gurnee, Illinois knows that consumers looking for a car dealer aren't just interested in having a great inventory. It's about community. Rosen Motors is committed to giving back to the community that has supported them for the past 22 years. As the altruistic dealer, Rosen is actively involved with several local charities. Find out more about the Rosen Advantage at www.rosenrosen.com. While you're there, get a quick quote. See our expansive inventory of used vehicles. See our huge inventory of new vehicles. And see what makes us different than your average dealership. Rosen Nissan Gurnee is located at 7000 Grand Avenue in Gurnee, Illinois.
Rosen, Rosen, Rosen.